This is your handling video on the Elddis Avante 636. So we'll start off at the front of the caravan where you have your Alco stabiliser and hitch. Obviously once hooking up to the car, put your tow ball up, black handle down, stabiliser gets pushed down to lock it into place. You'll see a green pin pop up like so to indicate that the tow ball is secure. To release, stabiliser up, handle up, tow ball is released. Have a breakaway fitted, breakaway cable fitted. You've got your handbrake, your jockey wheel handle. You've got your gas locker where you've got two slots for two 6 kg propane or butane gas bottles. Also have a bulkhead regulator fitted to the van. And then we also have your 13-pin plug. Obviously it's plugged into my test box, just obviously to show you all the lights working. So obviously the 13-pin plug goes onto the back of the car. It does your exterior lights and your 12 volt to the fridge if your car is wired up correctly. Also fitted you have an Alco ATC, which is basically just a safety feature while towing the van. Obviously you see that light working there, and we'll demonstrate all the lights working as we go round. Here we have your whale water pump inlet. So what you would do, straightforward, get the Aquaroll for the water, put the pump in the Aquaroll to the bottom, slot that in, that slides down to lock it into place like so. And obviously that is your main water feed into the van. Here we have your battery locker, obviously, so you've got your 230 mains inlet, you've got your battery box, battery strap, and obviously 110 amp battery or 85 amp battery can be fitted to the van. Down here we have your waste outlet. Obviously you just put 2 pieces of waste pipe in, get your waste master and slot it in here. Here we have your toilet cassette filler cap where you mix the water and toilet chemical in there, obviously for your toilet flush. And obviously then this is where your toilet cassette lives. So obviously once full, pull it out, take it all the way out, move the flap like so, and obviously tip it away. When to put it back in, just grab it, slot it like so, and close the lid. As you can see, all the lights working at the top there as well. And you've got your 2 plate lights, and then all your lights, and then I'll come to the side. As you can see, your awning light is working as well. But now inside the caravan, above my head, towards the right, you have your whale control panel. See, so the top here, you've got 3 buttons here. They all need to be turned on. And on here, you have a setting for your internal temperature, water heater. So you press that here like so, and you've got different settings of 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt, gas, or gas and electric. And obviously you set it here like so to whatever degrees you want, like so. This button here to go back, water heater, so you've got eco, 2 kilowatt off, 3 kilowatt and gas, obviously, but any other additional information is in the book pack, obviously different settings. Here you see an icon which is electric, obviously that will need to be there if you are trying to use it on electric. And obviously then you've got your battery voltage there. Towards the front of the van, underneath this front locker here, you have your main consumer unit, which holds your main RCD, and you have 4 MCBs. They recommend every time you connect to 230 power that you always press the test button like so, just to make sure your RCD trips as it should. Down below you have all your 12 volt fuses, and obviously it even gives you the labels what they are for. Obviously now onto the water. Obviously once fitted outside with into the Aquaroll, underneath your bed, you just want to make sure that this drain off valve, if you can see it down here, yellow switch just down there, is facing in the horizontal position like so. And obviously to drain it, you just face it the other way, and obviously for the water to drain out. Obviously, so once all the water is all ready to go, you go on to your control panel like so, and it says, you press it till it says pump ready. Once pump's ready, you open your tap, the pump will start running, and obviously all the water will come through. Obviously you just need to make sure all the air is run through in all three taps, so in the kitchen tap, bathroom tap and the shower, to make sure all the air is drained out, and then your pump will be calibrated, and obviously your pump will turn on and off as it should. Also fitted to your van, you have a Thetford Aspire 2, which is a mixture of gas and electric oven. Well, I say gas and electric, you've got 3 gas hobs, gas grill, gas oven, and 1 electric hob at the top. Obviously self-explanatory, just like using a home cooker. You've got your electric hob here where you've got settings 1 to 6. Once turned on, red LED will come on, just to say that is hot, not to put your hands on it or close the lid. Gas, all you do, you push this in like so while pressing the igniter, and obviously like so, and obviously you'll just get all the other hobs running like so. There we go. Right, grill button here, push it in, same thing as the hobs, push it in. As you can see, it is lit. And then the oven, push button in, like so. Just turn them all off, just turn them all clockwise. Then towards the back of the van, we have your Dometic fridge. So you've got 4 settings. You've got the power on and off, you've got electric, gas and battery. So let's just turn it off. To turn on, hold the power button. Obviously now you can choose which appliance you want. Electric, obviously when you're on mains hookup. Gas, once gas, obviously when you press gas, it will ignite itself. You'd hear it ticking for a few seconds, and obviously then it will be lit. If it fails to lit, it will do this. Obviously the battery is failing now because we're not connected to the car, so obviously it's not finding any battery to work. Obviously, if it does it on gas and this is flashing, just hold that and it will do a reset as it states here. But obviously on the battery, it will only work when connected to the car, and it will only maintain that temperature already in the fridge. Thetford's toilet. Obviously on the outside you've got your filler point and obviously where you empty it. So obviously once you're done your business, you hold the button like so, liquid comes through, you've got a flap to open at the bottom, opens the flap, and then to close. The toilet will only come out when the flap is closed. Last of all, you have 2 pieces of information left on the table in the van for you. One is our warranty cover, what we cover, and obviously what we don't. Winterization, obviously you would have this type here, the whale type below, obviously how to correctly drain the vehicle down for winter. But hope you enjoy the van. Thank you.